check his AC. I don't think I've ever worked for him before. I tried calling him a couple of times. He never answered the phone. Now all of a sudden he's calling me. So I touched base with him again today, and I'm gonna head on over there. So see if we can figure out what's going on with it. Pretty cool here today. It's not that warm. Saturday and Sunday is supposed to be in the 80s. So I might have to work over the weekend. I'm not sure yet, but I might have to. No AC calls. Why not? Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get there. He's going to vacuum the filters. He's only got two 12 by 12 filters here, which doesn't seem like a lot. That's 10-inch. Oh, you're on a time delay. So let's cool on. I'm gonna check the unit outside. Alright, this one's 410A. Yeah, this is fine. 17 on the superheat. 117 on the suction. It's fine. Can you see that? 116 on the suction. Subcoolant looks a little high, but wouldn't hurt to give this thing a good home. Concord. .410A. We'll leave that one right there where it is. Check this other first floor one. You gotta get some new filters. But for now,
is there a front and a back to them?
Yeah. The reinforcement, right, goes towards the fan. There's an arrow on them too.
Oh, okay.
See, there's an arrow that says airflow.
Yeah.
But you got to get more. You definitely need. You got to get new ones.
All right.
But for now, they'll get you by.
Okay.
Let's check the basement.
All right.
I shut this one off. This one's fine.
All right.
You got a garden hose. You really need to hit those coils outside with a good garden hose. Do you have one?
Yes, I don't. I think I do. Yeah. Yeah.
Will it reach back there? You got a spigot?
Yep.
On the way out, after I'm done, I like to hit them good with the garden hose. Make sure that there's no dirt in there.
All right.
We're gonna look at the basement one now, right?
Yeah. Until I was 80.
Yeah, and what happened there?
And then COVID hit, and so I had to stop because everything got closed down.
I just want to check the filter in this one. Do you change the filter?
No.
You don't? Okay.
I haven't touched it. I try to get somebody in every year to, what the hell?
No lights?
I'll have to maybe get another bulb if I can find out There is a light.
Oh, there's a big 5. Let me check it. Let me see. You got a big where's the light, guy?
Well, I just flicked it. I need to get another bulb. I don't know where the bulb is, though.
Well, probably be all right. This is a big bear. This is
Yeah,
probably.
here it is. I'll go get another bulb.
Yeah, this filter's still fine. This filter's still fine. It's a 3-inch. Merv 18. Yeah. So you could put a big 5-inch filter in there. I don't know why they put a 3-inch one, but that's fine. I'm not worried about that. Let's start it up, and we'll check it.
Okay.
That filter's fine. As long as you got to get some filters for upstairs, though. You know that, right?
Yep.
All right.
I'll get a couple. Like you say, I'll get a bunch of them.
I'd get a box. Get a case of them because they're cheap enough. You could order them on Amazon too, you know?
Yeah.
They say this is a good one, huh?
It's a very good one. This is the.
So, so you just dump regular tap water in there and it filters it? Now, how many times do you have to change the filters?
At least probably they last probably at least a year. But you clean it. I take it out. I take the whole thing apart. I wash all the metal parts and take the spigot apart, all that apart, and I take out the filters. I scrub them under cold water.
Oh, okay.
And then it supposedly takes the outside layer off of them, and then it keeps, the layers underneath are still good for a long time.
Oh, okay.
So these filters are relatively new, but the other ones I had for a couple of years. The ones before. And then there are these plastic Berkey.
I heard that's supposed to be now the different sizes. You can get a bigger one than this, right?
Oh yeah, you can. But I have some.
Because I'm always buying bottled water. You know how much I spend on bottled water? It's crazy.
It is.
I'm better off buying something like that,
for the
right?
carbon footprint as well, because it has to be
Oh, okay,
balled
yeah.
here. But these are the ones for fluoride and arsenic reduction. I don't use them,
Oh,
but
yeah.
they fit in too.
So you got extra filters, yeah.
These
I'm gonna
are
have to look
different.
into that. I'm gonna have to look into that. Let's turn on the thermostat and then I'll check it outside.
Try some of the water if you want.
Does it taste different than bottled water?
Well, it tastes good.
I'm gonna probably get one of those filters. You like the filter? Or is that just her thing?
Yeah.
Oh, you like it? I seen some other. Where's the thermostat?
I'm gonna put a glass there. So
There it is, right here. All right. All right. So, where's the lights? It's flipping dark here. All right. I'm gonna put it on cooling. I'm gonna turn it down. All right. We'll check it outside.
All right.
This is the first floor one. Well, she's cool. Probably gonna be fine. This one's 410A also. I'll get my gauges on and see what it's doing. I'm thinking this one's gonna be fine. $114. Yeah, it won't reach. I mean, you should, every so often, you just should spray these coils down really good and clean them out.
Just take a high.
Well, you don't want to bend them, but you want to get in there and flush these coils really good. See all the shit on the bottom?
Yeah.
You want to blow that out, and then you want to blow these coils, so if there's any sediment in there, you clean them out.
Okay.
They should both be done every so often.
Okay.
Yeah, we're fine here. See, 18 on the superheat and 114 on the suction. Yeah, I'm surprised they're not leakers. You're good here.
You want me to turn the air conditioning on upstairs?
I already checked that one.
Oh, this one?
That's the upstairs. This is the first. I'm gonna mark them.
Oh, okay. So let me bring it around again.
I mean, I'd like to hit the coils on the way out if I could. I mean, they're not crazy dirty, but they should be hosed off. You can shut the thermostat on the first floor off.
Right.
We're all set. Yeah, see our superheat there, 18. We're fine with that. That's fine. I hit them really good with this hose. Get in there and give them, oh, how you doing? All the way around, both sides, so. Don't hurt every so often to give them a good douche. High subcooling, that's needs to be cleaned. It's not even on the pad. Looks like somebody might have hit it, moved it off the pad. Yeehaw.